Tower New Zealand 77 tree is 17 miles northwest 10,000 feet with uniform to land.
Attendants, please prepare for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain's now switched on the seatbelt signs in preparation for landing. Would you ask you now to please ensure that all hand baggage restowed either under the seat in front of you into the overhead lockers. Please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened and that your seat back and tray table is in the upright position with your armrest down. Once again, remind you can use your portable handheld devices with the flight safe mode on. However, all larger laptops do not need to be switched off and stowed away. Please note that the washrooms are no longer available for use.
Welcome to Hangar 22. This is our innovation lab here at Air New Zealand that we set up to help develop our world-class cabin for long-haul travel. Back in 2017, we set the challenge to redesign our flying experience. Since then, we've spent 170,000 hours of research, engineering and design with this new cabin to make it truly world-class. Our new Business Premier Luxe Suite is all about more space and privacy. It's completely new for our customers with a fully closing door and enough space for two people to dine together.
What our customers asked for was a dynamic space that allows them to work, sleep and dine, complemented by the latest technology and digital innovations. But the most innovation was actually in our economy cabin. It's exciting to bring Steiness to life, which is world first lie-flat option for economy customers. We've also created a new economy stretch, and of course we have our Sky Couch too. We've been inspired by the uniqueness of Aotearoa throughout this whole redesign, so customers will experience New Zealand as soon as they step on board.
It's so awesome to be part of a culture that is prepared to think differently and be light years ahead of others. Whether it's design or sustainability, we really push the boundaries, and that shows in what we're able to now offer our customers. There's a certain magic when cruising at 40,000 feet, and with this new cabin, that magic will be taken to another level. So, kia ora. Welcome on board.
Having her take your seat.
2500.
I think you can do better than that.
behalf of your entire flight crew, we thank you for flying with us today. For all connections, please see the passenger service representative just inside the terminal. The TV screens located throughout the terminal. Thank you and have a very good day.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seat belts fastened until we reach the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Thank you so much.
Can we do disarm doors for arrival and cross-check?
Prepare for arrival and cross-check, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, your portable electronic devices must not be used until you are inside the airport. When disembarking, please take care and hold on to the handrails while walking down the stairs. Please ensure that you supervise your children, and for your own safety, do not walk underneath the wing.